ancient asteroids dreadly depleted terrestrial planets' oxygen supply, finds study. The recent bombardment modeling gives evidence that the shift in the Earth's chemistry, which transformed it into the blue planet that is today, is no coincidence but a series of impacts with large asteroids that jolted the oxygen levels on the planet. A team of researchers has developed a new insight that signifies that Earth went through some major chemical changes induced by planetary bombardment, which led to alterations in the composition of the most essential gas on the planet, oxygen. During the nascent stage of the planet, that is, between 2.5 and 4 billion years ago, it was raining asteroids on Earth. This period is known as the Archean. These cosmic rocks differed in size, with the largest ones making some most prominent changes in the planet's chemistry. While geologists were aware of this bombardment, details regarding the occurrence's frequency were hazy and unclear. A recent study delved into the historical markers of these repetitive collisions called impact spherules shows that the collisions were more recurring than estimated before. Impact spherules are molten particles of the Earth's crust that, with time, would condense, solidify, and get embedded into the surface in the form of round, distributed sand-sized particles. Recently, a substantial number of new impact spherules have unearthed during drill cores and outcrops, increasing the total number of known impacts with the early Earth. The new collision rate suggests that the impacts occurred every 15 million years, which is 10 times higher than the current estimates, Najat Jabon, Assistant Professor of Earth and Planetary Sciences, Harvard University, and the co-author of the study, said in a press release. The findings of the study point to the delay of oxygenation of the planet due to the asteroid's impact. It is believed that massive asteroids as big as 10 kilometers created an oxygen sink during the impact that sucked most of the oxygen out of the atmosphere. As the Archean came to an end, the Great Oxidation Event GOE made the planet what it is today. Impact vapors caused episodic low oxygen levels for large spans of time before they go. As time went on, collisions became less frequent and less significant. This marked the journey of the Earth towards becoming a habitable planet, said Dr. Simon E. Markey, lead author of the study, Southwest Research Institute. The recent bombardment modeling gives evidence that the shift in the Earth's chemistry, which transformed it into the blue planet that is today, is no coincidence but a series of impacts with large asteroids that jolted the oxygen levels on the planet.